Hello. In this video, we want to convert the radian measures to degrees. We have 7 pi over 6, 12.3, and 5 pi over 3. Okay, so we know that these are radians because there are no degree symbols. So, taking 7 pi over 6, we want to convert this. And I'm going to go ahead and do it this way. I'm going to take this and do this. Now, notice that I'm not going to... I could do it this way. I could do it as 7 pi over 6 and then go from there. I don't like doing that. If you already have a fraction, just use that as your big line right there. Now, we're converting from radians into degrees. So what I could do is I could put radians right there. That means I need radians in the denominator, which would be pi. In the numerator, I would use degrees, which would be 180. And notice that the radians would cancel. And effectively, we don't actually need to write them. So technically, we just need 180 degrees over pi here. Now, what's great about this, if you notice, the pi cancels with the pi. They're gone. All we're left with is just numbers. 7 times 180 over 6. Well, 180 over 6 is 30. 30 times 7 is 210. So that is 210 degrees. Awesome. Now for the 12.3. Unfortunately, this time, we can't get this perfect. There is no exact value. Well, it's technically 12.3 times 180 all over pi. The reason that I know that we can't get this exact is because we're going to have a pi in here no matter what, because there's not a pi over here to cancel. So this 12.3 is an approximation, or it might be an exact value, but either way, it's not going to give us an exact degree value. So we just need to type this in. Just type in 12.3 times 180 divided by pi. So let's do that. 12.3 times 180 divided by pi. That's going to give us 704.380 blah, 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 blah. So 704.38088. It doesn't tell us where to round to, so I'm going to go ahead and round it to the nearest hundredth, which would give us 704.38 degrees. Just a reminder, round to how many ever decimal places my live math tells you. Now, for 5 pi over 3, we can do the same thing. Put the pi in the denominator, 180 in the numerator, 180 degrees. Notice that the pi cancels with the pi. 180 divided by 3 is 60, times 5 is 300. So 5 pi over 3 would give us 300 degrees. Alrighty. Well, I believe that's it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.